In this video, you'll learn how to create interactive databases using Notion AI. By following these steps, you will effectively utilize the features of Notion to enhance your data management capabilities. Begin by navigating to the Notion website. Open your preferred web browser and enter notion.so in the address bar. Once the page loads, you will see a clean interface inviting you to either log in or create a new account. If you already have an account, click on the login button located at the top right corner of the page. After logging in, direct your attention to the left sidebar. Look for the option labeled AI and click on it. This will lead you to the Notion AI interface, where various features to assist you will be accessible. Ensure that the AI page is fully loaded before proceeding to the next step. Next, you will see a prompt that says, "How can I help you today?" Click on this prompt to activate the text input field. This area is essential for interacting with Notion AI, as it allows you to request specific actions or information. In the text input field, type the phrase, "Create an interactive database," and press the enter key. This action triggers Notion AI to understand your request and generate relevant options or instructions for creating a database. Wait a moment for the AI to process your request. Once the AI responds, you will see an option labeled Interactive Database. Click on this option to access a predefined template or guide for setting up your database. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the features presented on the screen. You may need to click on Interactive Database once more to confirm your selection and proceed to the database setup interface. This step ensures you are working with the correct template that contains the interactive features you need. After confirming your selection, locate and click on all items. This will display all the items currently in your database. You should see a list or grid view of the items, which indicates you're on the right track to customizing your database. Next, click on By Status. This option allows you to filter the items based on their current status. The database will update to reflect this filter, making it easier to manage and view your entries based on their statuses. Now, personalize your database by modifying fields, adding tags, or organizing items according to your preferences. Customization is key to making the database interactive and tailored to your needs. Make sure all changes are saved before continuing. To create a new entry, click on New Page, located in the database interface. This action opens a new page where you can input the details for your new database entry. Ensure that you fill in all required fields to maintain consistency. If you wish to add additional views, such as a calendar view, click on Add New View. This feature allows you to visualize your data in various formats, enhancing the interactivity of your database. Select the type of view you want to create and customize it as necessary. To add new properties to your database, click on Add New Property. This option enables you to define additional attributes for your entries, such as dates, tags, or other relevant information. Carefully consider what properties will best suit your database needs. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.